Beae landing page tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a stunning landing page using Beae. Beae is a platform that you can use on Shopify to personalize your website. So the first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Apps. From there, you're going to scroll down and you're going to open the Shopify store. Once in your Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in BEAE. Then you're going to select landing page and you're going to be installing this landing page. And you can see that it is highly rated as it has a 4.9 star ratings with over 1,000 reviews, better yet. And you're going to tap on install and you'll be able to publish one page. And you can also create a draft of up to 10 pages. So we're going to tap on install right here. Once you have selected install, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on install once more. Once it has been installed, you're just going to tap on add new page in the top right hand corner and you can select the type of page that you would like to add. So whether you like to create a landing page, a Shopify section, a product page, contact page, blog post, whichever one of these options you like to use this platform for, you can do that. Let's say we were to create a home page, we could select home page and tap on create page. Then from here you can see the different categories that you can choose from. And you can go over to the left hand menu option and choose from a specific industry. So you, for example, if you have a home and decor Shopify store, you could select that. If you are selling jewelry and accessories, you can also select jewelry and accessories. And you could select the one that you would like to use. So let's say I were to select clothing and fashion. And I'm just going to be selecting this one right here. And I'll tap on use. After you have tapped on use, you'll be redirected to the editor page. And their editor page is actually quite beginner friendly and easy to use. To get started, you can tap on whichever section you like to edit. So if you like to change the text, you can do that. And you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can see the text. And you can also tap right here. If we would like to change the image, you can also do that. Just tap on the image that is currently there. Then tap on the pencil icon. Then you'll tap on design. After tapping on design, you could change the background image by tapping on change. From here, you could either upload an image or you could use one of the product images on your page. So let's say, for example, this product image. And you can see it right there. It has now been added. Here, you can continue scrolling down and you can personalize your landing page. And for example, if you would like to add a section, you can also do that. So let's say, for example, we'd like to add a section below this. You can do that quite easily. All you need to do is simply scroll down, select where you like to add the section and you can tap on add section. From there, you will see numerous section options pop up. Let's say, for example, you like to add testimonial. You could select testimonial. If it is a case that you would like to add a newsletter, anything at all that you want to add, a countdown timer, you could select countdown timer. And you could select the countdown timer template that you would like to use. So let's say this one, I could tap on it. After you have done that, you can tap on the countdown timer. Then from there, you could tap on the pencil that says edit. And you can select the time that you would like it to start counting down and all of those good stuff. And you can scroll down and you can continue customizing it to your liking. Now, if we were to go over to the left-hand column, you could select pages. And from there, you could create a new page. And remember, when it comes onto this landing page builder, you will be able to create up to 10 different drafts. So you could create a draft of a different page. And also, this landing page builder has a standout feature that I like, as you'll be able to pay as you go. And what do I mean by that? Let me show you some stuff before I show you that. So if you like to create a new page, you could tap on create new page and you can create a new page. You can also tap on products and from here you can add your products and you can create product page templates. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you can tap on the paintbrush icon. From there you'll be able to change the font style, font color and also customize the buttons. Now once you're finished and it is to your liking, we could tap on preview and it is going to take a few seconds, but once it is up and running, you'll be able to see a preview. Once you have seen the preview and it is to your liking, you will tap on save. Then you can give the page a title, so I'll just call it test page. So I'll type in test page right here, and you can also add in the slug. After you have done that, you're just going to tap on save. Once it has been saved, you're going to tap on publish. After it has been published, you can go onto your store and you'll be able to view it. So just give it a few seconds while it is being published. So you can see right here, your page has been published. So you could select view page. After you have tapped on select view page, you'll be able to view it. Or you can simply close out. So we could close out right here and tap on exit to dashboard. Then we'll tap on view your online store. Once you go onto your online store, you can see how our home page looks right here. And it's as easy as that to use this platform. And as I was saying earlier, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on pricing plans, they offer an option which allows you to pay as you go. So you could select this option, and from there you can pay as you use this platform, or you can choose to use one of their other monthly plans. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button